Good morning. Welcome to the gym. Here we are on a Monday morning. Hope you had a great weekend. I had a pretty good weekend. We got some stuff done this weekend, so that's a good thing. And we've got a leg workout this morning. We're still in the transition phase, folks. I know we're gonna get tired of that, but yeah, we've got 3 lifts this morning. One I haven't done in a while. We're gonna do lunges, and we're gonna use a safety squat bar. It's a lot easier to keep my balance when I got the safety squat bar rather than the regular straight bar. So got 95 pounds on, the safety squat bar 65 pounds on its own. So it's 10 pounds heavier, or 20 pounds heavier than the Olympic bar. So yeah, we've got lunges, and then we've got Romanian deadlift, and then we've got leg extensions. So, and those will be isolated as normal. They'll be single legs. So, and then we'll head out on a walk, come back. Today will be a walk only since we have leg day today. So yeah, so walk only. So it may be a little shorter too. Anyway, yeah, kept busy this weekend. Even did some stuff yesterday. We worked outside and a little bit wore out this morning. So we'll see how these lunges go. I was surprised to see what my son put together and had lunges on there. I was kind of mentally prepared to do squats again, so now we have lunges. So anyway, that's a good deal. It's a good deal. That's why it's good to have somebody do your workouts. I tell you what, you do them yourself and you'll get right in that line, and at least I do. I get single tracked and then I just do the same thing over and over again. So even if it's the same like the same routine, not the same thing every week, but you get kind of in at least I do. I get the blinders on, kind of get my track and run that same track every single time. So anyway, here we go, folks. We're gonna hit the old weights, get some longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. Let's get over this tiredness and get up this Monday morning and let's get her going. All right, so here we go. Let's do it, folks. Let's hit it. Monday's leg day and walk is done. We got Monday in the books, so that's a good thing. Yeah, the lunges, oh my goodness. Very first lunge, left leg forward. I could feel the old groin on both sides, but mainly on the left side. I must have done the squatting down and all the business I did yesterday must have really wore them out. But yeah, started at 95. Did a second set at 95 and then added 10 pounds for 105. And yeah, that was a pretty good workout, pretty intense actually. Got me sweating pretty good just on the lunges. And then we had the Romanian deadlift, which also I could feel the old groins working there. You know, I think anytime you stretch your hamstrings, your groins are stretching too. So. But yeah, I got that done, and then leg extensions, and then we went on a walk, and truly was a walk in a very, very mild pace walk. I don't remember what I ended up, but I think 17, maybe over 18 minute miles. So yeah, it was definitely a slow pace walk. So yeah, but went well. Good to get it done. Always when I'm done, even when I get up in the morning and think, oh, maybe I should take a day off. Force myself into it. Gotta force yourself, gotta do it. Because I tell you what, when you're done, it just feels good. Yeah. So, yeah, temperatures are up. So, yeah, I got the sweatshirts, got the old school bands on. Those catch a lot of sweat. I tell you what, to keep my hands dry so I can grip the bar. I tell you what, they get slippery. My old bars are, the knurling is there, but they're kind of just a little bit rusty and old. And they get slippery. So my other bar is a little more, the knurling's a little bit more, I don't know how you say it, little more grip to it. But I don't like it because it's just a tad bit crooked. These are old bars. I mean, I bought these bars back in the early 2000s, 2000, maybe even 99. But probably maybe got the bars in 99. But most likely it was 2000, 2001, and. Bought one that you get a bar, and the whole set was 315 pounds counting the bar. And you get 245s or maybe 445s. Anyway, that's where I started my set. And then I got a second set. And the second set, the bar, I liked the knurling on it because it was nice and grippy, but it was just a tad bit crooked. So I don't like using that bar because it's that, I don't know, mentally I don't like using it because just when you roll it, it's just a very slight little difference in the bar. So. And it may not be the bar is not straight. It may be the collars aren't on straight. One of the collars aren't on straight. But I've never taken it apart and taken a look at it to see what all's going on with it. But anyway, getting long-winded here. The bar still works, so I use that bar for the groundwork. Anytime I'm picking weights off the ground and letting weights back down on the ground where I'm maybe dropping weight on the ground, I use that for the groundwork. So anyway, gonna let you guys go. Time to wrap this up and head on in the house and do all the things today. So I'm off. I'm on PTO for the next 3 weeks actually. So yeah, that'll be good. So yeah, still be hitting the weights when I can. I think we're traveling out of town. My wife's looking at Airbnbs. So we'll see where we end up. Probably in the next 4, probably after the 4th, we'll head out for a few days and come back. So that's why we're in this transition phase. I just want to keep lifting weights, but I don't want to start a cycle and, mentally get into a cycle where I'm, mentally challenging myself each day. What's next kind of thing, week to week, trying to make goals for that week. But, my goals now are just to continue lifting and continue keeping it going. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Monday. Take care, be safe, get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. This is Sojourner Vision. We'll talk to you later. See ya.